Don't risk it. Chuck it. Hi folks, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Flavors Kitchen Tips episode. Today we're going to talk about mold. Now, I have a leftover here, and make sure that you eat your leftover no more than 4 days. Now, if you see a mold, a little mold in that corner, don't just scrape it out and start eating the rest, because you will never know. It's deep down there that there's mold that you can't see, and it's very dangerous. So don't eat it. You gotta chuck it. Okay? So see you next time. Bye. Watch for my next video.